Yo, what's up? How are you guys doing out there in Madagascar? I know you guys recently went through something, so I just was like looking up to see if there's any music, uplifting music that would you guys are dancing to down there. But I feel like this one hit the spot, man. If you're here for the first time, my name is TT. I am from Botswana, but I currently live here in the USA. So let's go. Rijade Mitenginy. Yes. Yo, I feel like Malagasy language is very difficult. I mean, maybe not that difficult. I just have to like familiarize myself with it.
Anomanambole zamahe misoma dunia na champi mulaga ilenge iskote yenge famyenye dwafuza
yo she lives in a palace
ekunyadinga mbuninzale nyadinga ngabunzale anoko dinderi wesane faze chanyeki si ton pin za femme tengine 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 saboza timanengine si ton pin za femme tengine saboza timanengine si ton pin za femme tengine.
This is a beautiful song, man. Like, okay, this like what was that guy from Tanzania? Diamond. This like Diamond, Zuchu, and all those guys in East Africa.
Zalikuwa mikek atok tireng zakatsara tika sambitia dalal chômage sangatia anom geste zami geste zalikuwa mikek atok tireng zakatsara tika sambitia dalal chômage sangatia ekumiyadinga
Somebody wants to check the check.
miyadinga ngabunzale anoko dinderi wesane faze chanyeki si ton pin za femme tengine
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 saboza timanengine
si ton pin za femme tengine
saboza timanengine
si ton pin za femme tengine
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 saboza timanengine
si ton pin za femme tengine
saboza timanengine
si ton pin za femme tengine.
c'est ça. Atiti, 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 atiti.
Hey.
Denison Proda.
Yeah, this is a beautiful song, man. I cannot believe that I just saw this artist and I was like, yeah, let's try this song out. This is a beautiful song to cheer you up out there in Madagascar. This is a beautiful video as well, man. Big up, big up. I need to like do a round of applause to the people who did all this project, the producers and everybody. You guys are doing a wonderful job. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're here for the first time, you're from Madagascar, let me know what the song is all about in the comment section and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. See you guys on that.